Do you ever freeze up in the kitchen? Stop translating from your native language. Learn to speak naturally. Welcome to today's lesson. We will learn kitchen English. We will learn kitchen English. Practice every sentence aloud. These phrases sound natural. Speak with confidence. Let's unlock your kitchen English. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is messy. Please come into the kitchen. Peel the potatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Chop the carrots. Chop the carrots. Open the refrigerator. Take out the milk. And that's how you keep it fresh. Wash your hands first. Please wash the vegetables. Cut the onions carefully. I am cooking dinner. Breakfast is ready. Lunch is almost ready. Boil some water. Heat the soup. Cook the rice. Fry the eggs. Bake the bread. Mix everything well. Let's make some soup. Stir it slowly. Balance the flavor. Taste the food. The food is delicious. The tea is ready. Throw away the trash. Open the window. Close the window. Please wash the dishes. Dry the plates. Clean the table. Would you like more rice?
I am full. Thank you for the meal.
Bring the bowl. Set the table. Let's eat together. I love cooking. Cooking is fun. Everything looks perfect. The soup is ready. The rice is soft. The chicken is cooked. Turn on the light. The food is burning. Lower the heat. Lower the heat.
Be careful with the knife. Don't touch the hot pan. The water is boiling.
Can you pass the knife?
Here you are.
Thank you. Where is the frying pan? It's on the stove. Please bring it. Please turn on the exhaust fan. The kitchen is smoky. That's much better.
Don't forget to turn off the stove. Everything is ready. Let's enjoy our meal.
We are out of sugar. Check the cupboard. There is another bag. Can you wash the fruit? Sure, I'll do it now. Put it on the table. Please cover the pot. Let it cook. We'll check it later. Can you set the timer?
Set it for 10 minutes.
Okay, done.
The oil is hot.
Put the chicken in carefully. Listen to the sound. The pan is too hot. Wait for a minute. Now it's okay. Please rinse the dishes. Stack them here. Good job. The cake looks great. Let's cut it. Everyone is excited. The sink is blocked. Let's clean it. Now the water flows. We need more eggs. Please buy some. I'll get them. The kitchen is finally clean. Everything is in its place. Everything is in its place. Great work today. Put the leftovers in the fridge. Don't waste food. Save it for tomorrow.
Who cooked this meal?
I made it.
It tastes amazing.
Let's make sandwiches. Cut the bread. Add some cheese.
Keep learning. Your English is getting better. Never stop practicing. Practice every day. Speak English every day.
Let's practice together.
Confidence comes from speaking. Excellent job. Daily practice creates fluent speakers. See you in the next lesson.